To access your headlight, pop up the hood, and from just behind the headlight, you could see a cable and a connector. Pull out the connector. Next step is to remove the rubber cover. Hold the tab and pull it out. You might have to twist it a bit. The bulb is basically held using this wire. Push the wire inwards and then turn it to the right to release it. And then fully open this wire case. And now you could easily just pull out the bulb. Make sure the bulb that you're getting is compatible with your car. The bulb has 3 tabs. One tab is wider than the other 2 tabs, and that's the tab that needs to go to the top. Now insert the bulb. Now you can see the wider tab is at the top and 2 smaller tabs are at the bottom, and your bulb can only go in one direction. So once it's inserted, you should not be able to turn it, and it should be secure. In order to lock it, pull the wire all the way down until it is inserted in the slot. Test and make sure now the bulb is fully secured and it doesn't move. Now in order to insert the rubber cover, first make sure the tube in the front of the rubber cover goes over the connector, and once it's in, then only you could push it all the way until it is fully secured. And now you can insert the connector. Make sure it goes all the way in. And now only you can turn on your light and test whether it works.